What's up, Daydreamers, and welcome back to another Work in Progress Wednesday. Yep, it's WIP Wednesdays again, and in this episode, it's something I've been working on for a long time, and I just, for some reason, can't bring myself to finish it. And it is, the GM Sniper II. WIP Wednesday!
Ragtag Daydreams is sponsored by NewTypeHQ.com.
So I really like this kit. I like the way that it looks. I love the stuff that I'm doing to it. I mean, you can tell that I've added ply plate a lot of different places, even on the butt flaps there. And you know, it's a good looking kit. I've added these up here. These are custom. I've wired it for lights. Even the shield's been customized, and I slipped some and had to putty some stuff up where I completely messed up with the old scriber there. But you know, it looks great. I have added grenade kind of things on the back there, and I have a Kotobukiya, which is a great addition to this kit. Sniper rifle, and I even lit up the sniper rifle scope, and I'm customizing it. But for some reason, this thing stays on my my desk. I don't know. There's something about it that I really want to finish, and I can imagine a finished product on, but it's just really hard to just get it done. I'm not really sure. I second guess myself a lot on this kit. Hey, do you guys ever second guess yourself on a kit? I mean, it's kind of funny the way sometimes that works out, where you'll have a kit that you're really excited about, but it takes you forever to finish it. And I've done a lot more work to that than I have a lot of the kits that I've only started. That's the closest one to being finished, and yet I just can't get over the hump to put in the finishing details, give it the old repaint, and just be done with it. I don't know. Do you guys have that problem? If you have that problem too, please leave me a comment below. Let me know, what kit are you working on that you just can't seem to finish? What kit is almost done that's just sitting there, staring at you from the sidelines, taunting you? And then we can commiserate together about it, because I don't understand it. It's almost like writer's block for building. So builder's block, but not like a building block, like whatever. As always, guys, please like, share, and subscribe, and make sure to share to people who are not subscribed, so maybe they will subscribe as well. Because remember, we have a 200 sub giveaway on this channel, and it's coming up quick, because I know I'm in the 150s now, and I know that, you know, you guys are going to pull together and make sure I have the subs, and hopefully a lot of people who like this content will stick around and watch more of my stuff. As always, again, don't forget to check out the videos here. And until next time, Daydreamers, I'm Justin, your Ragtag Daydreamer, and I'll see you soon.